This 5-minute solution will show you how to change age on Roblox. To change your birthday or age on Roblox, follow this step-by-step guide. Open your browser and type Roblox support. Open the first link, and here all you have to need, just fill up this form very carefully. Enter here your Roblox account username, enter your first name, enter your email address, which one associated with your Roblox account. Confirm the email address here. Issue details here. Select your device where you are using Roblox. Type of help category. Here select age-based settings and accounts with parental privileges. And in this description box, here you have to carefully describe that you want to change your age or why you want to change your age, and then submit this form. And after submitting the form, Roblox change your age. So this is how we can change age on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.